In this video, I will show you how to remove red patches on skin in Adobe Photoshop. Choose hue/saturation. Double-click. Press Ctrl-I. Choose Brush Tool. Remove red patches on skin. Hold Shift key. Press Ctrl-E. Choose Neural Filters. Choose Smoothing Skin. And download. OK and done. Before and after. Don't forget to like this video, and thank for watching.